You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.